Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Zacconi Espresso machine. Now for this machine it was brought here because it just basically lost power completely, and that was because the power cable that you see right here, you can see one of the electronic connections kind of taped off, kind of made a short through the entire power line of the machine, and it ended up completely burning a lot of the electronic connections. As you can see, the white wire just completely burned. Some of the connections of the machine itself were completely fried as well. So we had to replace all the wiring of this machine, including the power cord itself. That's why you see this one right here. So we've been testing this machine out for quite a lot already. We've been pressurizing. We also cleaned the steamer, as the steamer kind of was not in this, didn't have this pressure. So something was clogging up in there. We unclogged it, and as you can see, steams perfectly fine. Machine is pressurizing all the way, getting to 1.5, which is the right proper pressure it should be. And I'm going to show you the electronical wires that we did.
And always,
Okay, here we have the parts of the machine that we service. You can see all the wiring is new. We have a new housing as well. All this stuff that was inside of the machine is completely gone, so all these connections are secure. They are very well secured into the electronic parts, and nothing is touching, and everything is the way it's supposed to be. And like I said, we've been already testing this machine quite a lot, so we know that there's no leaks or anything in the pressure stat or anything like that. We also had to reset the pressure stat a bit, as it was kind of loose, so we also are keeping an eye on it for it. And like I said before, we don't have any leaks coming out from here, or anywhere in the machine. And now the machine is at pressure, so no. Let's just turn it back on and test the group head.
12 years and he's...
So now we're going to be testing the lever of this machine, and as you can see, water comes out over the group head. We do not have the portafilter, so we will not be able to do any shots or coffee with the machine itself. But as you can see, lever definitely works when we lift it, and there's definitely pressure coming out from this machine the way it's supposed to be. So there you have it, Zacconi working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.